Today we are going to be unboxing and opening a 151 ETB. With these ETBs you get a player's guide and it goes over the cards. You also get this, and a lot of people, now I'm not going to do this nicely, but a lot of people open this up and you kind of got this little background now. And some people put cards on here with card stands. Just a cool little backdrop. And that's from the sleeve, 151 sleeve. Then this is the ETB box itself. Open up the box. We can see what we got inside. So we've got some packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs. Got some dividers. You got the promo card. Card holders, little penny sleeves. You got your dice and your little tokens. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up these packs and I'm going to lay the cards out and then show you guys, you know, the hits that we get. Let's see, we'll start like that. Okay, so we went ahead and these are the cards. We didn't look at anything to see if we have any hits or not. So here we go. Now we're going to skim through pretty quickly just for hit cards. That's a pretty cool card. Look at that. And we're not going to show you guys that, you know. Again, just go through here for some hit cards. So far, nothing to brag about. And there's an energy. Nice little energy. Yep, so nothing to brag about, guys. So far, this is pretty rough box. This is a rough ETB so far. Very rough. Wow. This is oh, there might be something back here. We might actually got, oh, what do we got? Let's go. All right, I changed my mind. It's not a rough box. Let's go. Let's go. Can we get something else? Can we get something else, guys? Last pack magic. No. Oh well. We'll take this one. We'll penny sleeve that up. And that's what you get, guys.